Insurance policy transactions or policy transactions in insurance. Here we take the example of the Guidewire core insurance system. So what are policy transactions? You see, policy during its policy term and even before goes through multiple transactions. So these transactions are: submission is when we make a proposal or submit details about the coverables, coverages and coverage terms to get a policy quote. Then with a quote and a binding, there is policy issuance. Other transactions include renewal, cancellation. Then during the policy term, between inception date and expiry date, we may require some changes in the policy. So policy changes are also very important policy transactions. These could be addition of new coverables, say for example, for an automobile policy, addition of a new automobile, addition of a new coverage within an existing coverable, or even we may have a different coverage term. So a coverage term could be, say, change in the deductible. So these are policy changes. Then other policy transactions are rewrite. So we cancel an existing policy and we rewrite the policy. Then there is a rewrite to the new account. So the policy is rewritten to a new account and not to the existing account. And yet another policy transaction is the policy audit. So policy audit or premium audit is taken up, say for example, for workmen compensation policies, wherein the insurance company may audit the information which has been provided for calculation of the premium. Now, since I have told you that we are discussing the Guidewire terminology here, one thing which you should be aware of: in Guidewire, policy transactions is the word which we use in the policy center, whereas the comparable word when we talk about the other layers of the Guidewire technology stack, say for example data model or the PCF files or the GOSU classes, there the policy transactions are referred as policy jobs. Policy change will create a new policy period. So you can basically focus on these two things: a policy term, which is basically inception date and until expiry date of the policy, and within this policy term, if we make policy changes, then a new policy period will be created. So this is all about policy transactions. Thank you.